Hello viewers, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. In today's video, I'll be guiding you on how to navigate your way through Telegram mining apps. However, before we get started, if you find our tutorial videos useful and helpful, do well to support our channel by buying our educational token, the Wiki Cat. Wiki Cat is built on the Binance Smart Chain network. I will be dropping the contract address in the description below this video. So now let's get into this video. Telegram mining app utilizes the computing power of cloud servers to mine cryptocurrencies, eliminating the need for personal hardware or technical expertise. And how does this work? Users sign up for a Telegram mining app, they create an account, and the app connects with the cloud mining servers to perform the mining process. Users can monitor their mining progress and earnings within the app. Now, what are the benefits of Telegram mining? It's convenient. It mines cryptocurrencies directly within the Telegram. It lowers barriers to entry. That means there are no need for specialized hardware or technical knowledge. Okay, it's accessibility, which allows you to mine on the go using your mobile devices. Now, there's a need for caution. Remember, Telegram mining apps may come with risk such as market volatility, potential scams, and fees. Always prioritize research, security, and responsible investing practices. So guys, this is a few guide on what Telegram mining apps entail. I believe you find this video useful and helpful. Do well, give this video a thumbs up, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on your post notification so you get notified each time a new video drops. If you've watched to this point, thank you so much for sticking around. I will be seeing you in our next video.